So the other day, I was sitting around organizing all my tackle when I realized, how have I not made my own soft plastics yet? I called up my friend Larry, who's quite experienced at making fishing baits, and the next thing I know, I'm driving down 10 hours to the state of Alabama. Now let's go make some stick baits. Enjoy. Gonna do my best to recreate this today.
Alright, so I guess I'll tell you your steps or the things you need first. First, you need plastic. Okay. This is plastic. It's just like the liquid form of a fishing lure, pretty much. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so this is your plastic, this is your mold, and this is your injector. These go hand in hand. So basically, you pour your plastic into a cup, you get it up to temperature, you draw your plastic out of the cup once it's up to temperature, and then you just inject it into your mold. You wait about 30 seconds, and then you take the screws out of your mold, open your mold, and you should have fishing lures in it, in theory. So we're gonna try to get that to happen today.
That sounds pretty simple.
All right. Yeah, so first we're gonna mix this a little bit more. It tells you you're not supposed to shake it, but I shake it just because it.
Why not?
Yeah, why not? I'm not Zoom, you know. I'm LarryMelton Jr. So I can shake my gallon of plastic if I want to. I haven't opened this bottle yet, and it could have a lot of bubbles in it. You're supposed to store your plastic at like a better temperature than it is in here. Alright guys, well I poured the plastic in the cup. It looks like we might be okay. There's a few bubbles in it that I can see, but we might be good. I really don't know. But yeah, I have a microwave on my bottom shelf. I moved it from the top. Normally I keep it up top, but I like to have a nice open area. So if I knock over the plastic, I can kind of just move out of the way, you know. Normally I do like a minute and a half, take it out and stir it just to make sure it's heating properly. And we put it back in the microwave and let it heat for the remaining minute and 30 seconds, and we pull it back out. Stir it again. After that, it should be at about 350 degrees, 375 degrees, and that's the perfect temperature to add your color and inject it. Close that, 3 minutes.
Now we wait.
Yeah. Also, I have candy on this glove. I tried to melt some gummy bears and make some gummy fishing lures, and it didn't work. Yeah, we're gonna take our black color. We're gonna go ahead and add our color to it. Normally, I try to wait till it's like all the way hot, but this one's being a little funky. And then with your flake, I just fill this about to the top. And sometimes I'll do more, sometimes I'll do less. You know how your art teacher just tells you to go with the flow? It's kind of the same thing with like making fishing lures. You just go with the flow. All right, we're just gonna put it back in the microwave.
How hot is this plastic?
Right now?
Yeah.
If it got on you, it wouldn't feel good.
Okay.
You'd much rather it be on you now than like in the next phase. Alright guys, the plastic should be nice and hot, hopefully, in theory. Everything is in theory. That's my favorite saying on the channel, is everything's in theory. I'm learning with you guys. I make mistakes so people don't have to. But you just draw your plastic out of your cup. Then you just kind of shoot a little bit just to make sure it's like gonna shoot. And then you take it, put it in your mold. Just make sure you hold the pressure down on it and you inject it. Then you'll feel when it fills up. When the mold won't, or when the injector won't press down anymore, you just kind of hold pressure on it. Don't push down any harder. And just kind of.
Wow, it's already full.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
And then just put your leftover plastic back in the cup. All right, guys. So we're gonna open this, and in theory, once again, we should have some fishing lures on the inside of it when we open it up.
Big reveal.
Yeah.
Oh, those are beautiful.
Yeah.
Well done.
And yeah, we got 10 black and blue stick baits. I think these are 6-inch, 5-inch. Right now you couldn't fish them. You really need to let them sit for like a day before they really get good. Because people DM me all the time and are like, hey man, I tried to go fish these stick baits and they just break apart.
Yeah.
While they're still warm.
Oh, they're so soft. Welcome to Lure Making with Ryan. I didn't know what to say. I was about to say like in the kitchen with Fisher Ian. But now I'm like.
That's pretty sweet. I like how that came out.
That's what I used to say for all my kitchen cooks, but then I was like, wait, this ain't in a kitchen. So, okay, so obviously I am a pro at this. So we're gonna take this plastic, pour it until it is about halfway, just like that.
Yeah.
I know what I'm doing, of course.
Confidence is key, dude.
Yeah.
You look pretty confident.
Okay, so first step is to heat this up in the microwave for 3 minutes.
The microwave's awkward. The door's on like the wrong side. Looks like you're nice and warm there. Mm-hmm. You can always put your finger in and just shake it. I'm just kidding, please don't.
I know. Got some mine dust. Let's put it in. It should come out.
Yeah,
oh
yeah.
yeah.
A lot better. You can do a little bit more.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, that should be good.
Yeah, that's good. Just sprinkle it. Don't need.
Yep, that's good.
We're working with very hot plastic, y'all. So if For those of y'all watching at home, be careful. This is advice coming from someone who's been doing this their whole life.
Whoa.
Take my injector, put it in, and just suck up some of that plastic, just like that. Now we take it to our mold right here. This is our Senko mold. Put it right here and gently press down. Nice and gently, there we go.
Just fill that back up because your plastic
You
will.
shoot this.
Put a little bit more in.
Oh,
Or you can just hold it over the side
yeah.
so you can see it fill back up. You're good.
We waited for a bit. Now is a good time. We unscrew this. Mold is pretty hot, but inside it should be all ready. So take these off. Aha! There we go.
Yeah, that's pretty
Woo! Look at that. Now these Senkos will be on sale in my bio, link down in the description. Just kidding. They're looking pretty good. So if we just take them all out nice and gently, a chandelier of stick baits. Peekaboo. Shout out to Larry. Thank you for teaching me how to do this. And thanks to him for filming, of course. And now, I don't know. I guess we're just gonna go film some other stuff.
Yeah.
But thanks for watching, and I'll take these fishing some other time. Look out for a video on that. Thanks for watching, and as always, fish for the adventure. Is this video?
Yeah.
You think this,
It's a little bright.
Wait. Oh no.